In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the mean and median using Google Sheets. So here I've already set this up. I typed mean and median, and I'm just going to input the values here and here. For mean, that's generally speaking, we use the term average, so that's what Google Sheets uses as well. I'm going to press the equal sign. I'm going to type in average, and you notice as I'm typing it in, it starts filling in the box with suggestions. I could type it out or just click average. They open up the parentheses, and then we're going to have to select the cells that we want. So we've practiced this before, but we're going to go ahead and do this. I'm actually going to press the first value from my data, and I'm not going to click on anything. I've clicked on 12, the first value. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. I'm going to hold the shift key down and press on the last value, so it selects everything in between. Okay, so everything is selected now. I'm going to go ahead and close this up with the closing parentheses. Press return or enter, and I have the mean. I'm going to do the same thing now for the median, but this time I know the cell values. It's E2. The first value is E2 right here, E2, and it goes all the way down to E121, which is this last value right here, E121. So instead of me having to do all that clicking again, I'm actually going to manually type things out. I'm going to press on the cell I want the value to be in and press equals. I'm going to type median now, closing parentheses, E2, and the colon means all the way through E121. Of course, we could click it again like before as well. I'm going to type in the closing parentheses, press return or enter, and now I have my median value. So that's how we use Google Sheets to calculate the mean and median values.